My name is Koля.
Hi, I'm Stepa.
Together we are the team Every Boys. We play sister science shows because we are Every Boys.
We live in Russia, Birsk.
And also we are engaged in the robotics laboratory of the Center Umnicum. We like construct new robotics models.
Today we will tell you about our project, the friend of birds and animals. We have been preparing for the competition for a long time.
2 years ago, we constructed a robot with patch when their owners are absent. Then we threw how animals in the forest alive in winter.
We begin to study the information about the animals stock with the foresters.
We were told that the foresters feed their animals in winter.
But it's very hard for a forester to get into the forest.
To create the robot, we used two big motors for the trackage platform, one big motor for the moving the feet compactness, and one middle motor to tuning or feed boxes.
For robot moving, we use two color sensors. The ultrasonic sensor allows to determine the distance to the barrier. The gyro sense allows the robot to move in the right direction.
The robot has three types of movement program: automated, semi-automated, and manual. Automated and semi-automated program works using a satellite system.
Using the photo and video recording and distance control, the robot drives it using the remote control.
The third type of program is manual. With this type of program, the operator can see where a robot is going and what is happening around him.
In addition to feeding animals, the robot must go around the forest and help the forester to track poachers and illegal tree felling.
Also, the robot, with the help of special sensor, must track the place of smoke and fires in the forest.
Thank you for attention.
Goodbye.